Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi Play-Doh. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of salt, and 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar. For the liquids, grab 1 cup of water and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Don't forget your favorite food colorings to make your sushi creations truly pop. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine your flour, salt, and cream of tartar, stirring them together thoroughly. Next, slowly pour in the water and cooking oil while continuously stirring the mixture. Keep mixing until all the ingredients are fully incorporated and you have a smooth, lump-free dough. This step is crucial for a perfect Play-Doh texture. It's time to cook our Play-Doh. Transfer your dough to a non-stick pan and cook it over medium heat, stirring constantly. The dough will start to thicken and form a ball. Continue cooking for about 3 to 5 minutes or until it's no longer sticky. Once cooked, remove the dough from the pan and let it cool completely on a piece of parchment paper. Patience here ensures a great texture. With your Play-Doh cooled, it's time for the fun part: shaping. Divide your dough into sections and knead in different food colorings to create vibrant sushi ingredients. Roll out your colored dough to form rice, fish, and seaweed shapes. Get creative with small tools to add intricate details. You can make nigiri, maki rolls, or even tiny sashimi pieces. Enjoy your homemade sushi Play-Doh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.